Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Today I will discuss both open and cyclic forms of ribose, glucose and fructose. Okay, first of all I will draw open chain form of ribose. Ribose is a 5 carbon sugar. Its molecular formula is C5H10 and O5. So first of all we will write 5 carbon, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Now this is an aldo sugar, so I will write first aldehyde group. This is carbon number 1 2 carbon which is part of aldehyde group, that is considered as carbon number 1 4 and 5. Now I will write hydroxyl group along with it. This is again hydroxyl group, hydrogen, hydroxyl group, hydrogen, and this is hydroxyl group, hydrogen and hydrogen. Students, it can be written in this form CH2OH as well. Okay. And this aldehyde group, that can be written in this form as well, C double bond O and H. Now this is ribose sugar, okay. How I have to memorize this? Student, there is a simple trick to learn it. R ribose and R, write the word right, that also starts with what R. So like if we take hydroxyl group as criteria to learn it, so all the hydroxyl group you can see they are present on the right side with ribose sugar. Okay, and now I have to write its cyclic form. There were two cyclic forms which were given by the two scientists. One is Fischer projection and other one is what Haworth projection. So according to Fischer projection, how this ribose sugar that gets changed into cyclic form. During that process, this oxygen of aldehyde group, oxygen from aldehyde group, aldehyde group or aldehyde group forms a link with penultimate carbon. Now student, this carbon number 4, that is considered as penultimate carbon. Actually penultimate carbon is that asymmetric carbon which is farthest from the functional group or aldehyde group. You know what are asymmetric carbon? Carbon number 2, carbon number 3 and carbon number 4, all of these, they are considered as asymmetric carbon. And asymmetric carbon is a carbon which is having all the 4 groups different to its different 4 sides, or it makes bond with different 4 atoms or radicals. Like you can see here, this carbon number 2, that is attached from one side with aldehyde group, from the other side it is having what, hydroxyl group, and at this side it is having hydrogen, and at this side it is having this whole group, like whole group that is attached with what, with this side, or in the downward position of carbon number 2. Again you can see same cases with carbon number 3, hydroxyl group, this whole group that is different from this one, and their hydrogen that is present on the left side. Now with carbon number 4, again same case, that is their hydroxyl group, this whole group, this CH2OH group and this hydrogen. So carbon number 2, 3 and 4, they are considered as what? As asymmetric carbon atoms. Now oxygen from the aldehyde group that will form a link with penultimate carbon. Penultimate carbon is an asymmetric carbon which is farthest from the functional group. Like 2 and 3 are also asymmetric carbon atoms, but they cannot be called as what? Penultimate carbons. So this oxygen that will make a link with this one. So like according to Fischer projection, how can I write this? This is C, this is that very oxygen which is making a link with carbon number 4, with carbon number 4. Now I can write this in this form, CH2OH. Okay, now this hydroxyl group of this hydroxyl group of C4 will be shifted to C1 or with the aldehyde carbon. Now I will write it like this, like this is OH and this is that very hydrogen. Now with carbon number 2, OH, H, OH, H, and this is like shifted to over there, and then hydrogen, and last one CH2OH. So this projection or this kind of structure for cyclic form that was recommended by a scientist called as Fischer. So this is called as what? Fischer projection. Now cyclic form or Haworth projection, that is like, now you can see with carbon number 1 and carbon number 4 oxygen atom that is linked, and for ribose always a structure that is the cyclic form of the structure is called as what? Furanose. For what? For ribose or for 5 carbon sugar, this is what? Furanose. This type of structure is called as what? Furanose. So oxygen that is linking what? Carbon number 1 and carbon number 4. This is carbon number 1 and carbon number 4, and then this is carbon number 2 and this is carbon number 3. Okay, you can see, and this one is last carbon, that is what? CH2OH. That is a fixed, that it has its fixed position over here. Now you can see that all the atoms or radicals which are present on the left side, we will write them on the top. Like you can see, this is OH, then hydrogen, again with carbon number 3, this is hydrogen, already hydroxyl group that is written on the top, so I will write a hydrogen over here. Now on the downward position, hydroxyl, again hydroxyl group, and with this carbon number 1 hydrogen that will be there. So students, this is what? Haworth formula or Haworth projection for the structure of what? Ribose. Now on the basis of hydroxyl group with carbon number 1, they can be called as alpha sugars or beta sugar. Now you can see with carbon number 1 hydroxyl group that is on the top, so this is what? This is beta sugar. Any sugar which is having hydroxyl group on the top in cyclic form, that is considered as what? Beta sugar. And if hydroxyl group that is in downward position with carbon number 1, then that will be what? Alpha sugar. Another thing you can see that carbon number 5 with carbon number 5 or carbon number 6, if hydroxyl group, they are present on the same side. Like you can see with carbon number 1, it is in upward direction. With carbon number 5, again hydroxyl group, that is in upward direction. So such kind of structures, they are called as what? Beta sugars. These are called as what? Beta sugars, because you know carbohydrates, they are also considered as sugars. So these are what? Beta sugars. And if position of hydroxyl group, that is different, like in one case it is in upward direction and in the other case it is in downward direction, then they are called as what? Alpha sugar. Alpha opposite beta in the same side or in the same direction. When they are same side, they can beat each other. So from this you can learn, you can memorize, this is what? Beta. Okay, this is a simple trick to learn chain form, Fisher projection and Haworth projection of what? Ribose sugar. Thank you, students.